Hey guys, today is a review of Kawaii Slime Company's slime package. By the way guys, Kawaii is Japanese for cute. And oh my gosh, is the packaging cute. As soon as the box opens, you're welcomed by all these cute looking slimes. Look at this one, it's got a heart as a mouth. Anyways, already really impressed by Kawaii Slime Company with the amount of effort put into the packaging. It gets you super excited to check out the slimes that are ready for you to play with. Seriously though, this is super cute. First up, we have the Kawaii Seafood Glossy Slime. Straight away, the scent of this slime just flies everywhere. It smells really nice, kind of like Fruit Loops. So anyways, this slime has some colored foam beads that are in different sizes, which is a nice little detail. Now playing with the slime, at first it was a bit runny, but that's okay because in the package, they provide you with this cute little activator and softener. So after spraying some activator on top, the slime was back to a perfectly good slime. So this glossy slime had a really nice texture. It was really clicky and was good to squish for those satisfying popping noises as well. And look guys, meet Patrick the starfish. He's been hiding in here the whole time. Next up, we have this very thicky rice pudding slime. Get it? Very sticky, very thicky. I see what you did there, Kawaii Slime Company. Nice pun. Okay, let's poke it. So playing with this slime was really interesting. It had a really silky texture and the rice beads give it a nice crunchy feeling. Okay, so time to put the sprinkles and this cute bear face on top. This slime was very fun to play with. Sorry guys, had to do it. Bear with me on the puns. Honestly though, great slime. Very well done Kawaii Slime Company. Check this next one out guys. This is from the ice cream collection and how cute is this packaging though. Sadly, there's a crack on this one, probably from the delivery process, but oh well, not a huge problem. Let's see what the slime is like. So this slime smelled super nice, kind of like lemon candy. The texture was really fluffy and squishy, kind of like a butter slime. There are also some tiny sprinkles in there. The slime was a bit small, but that's part of the cute aesthetic. It was really easy to do swirls with it as well. This slime was lots of fun. Next up, we have this color shifting Unicake Cloud Slime. And again, packaging is super cute. So the name says it shifts color. Curious what that means. And it's also a unicorn slime. High expectations on this one. Oh, so after stretching the cloud slime, there's this purple color inside. After mixing it, it shifted to this cute purplish bluish color, which looks amazing. So the slime was really soft and drizzling. Love stretching out the slime and seeing the strands of cloudiness. But the slime was just a bit crumbly, but was still a great cloud slime. Also, it had a really good smell, like air freshener. Then we have Sea Glass Clear Avalanche Slime. This slime was a really pretty clear, which suits the ocean theme so well. This is probably one of the best slimes in the package. It's a super thick clear slime. It doesn't stick to your hands at all. The texture is kind of like a glass putty. Playing with it was so satisfying because the slime was so glossy and clicky. Also, popping the bubbles in the slime was super fun, and there's a dolphin charm swimming around in the slime. Overall, it's a great slime you could play with. Wonder what the recipe for this slime is. Alright guys, that was the review of Kawaii Slime Company. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What are your favorite slime shops? Don't forget to subscribe to catch our slime videos every week. See you in the next one. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.